Hello everyone, thanks for watching my videos. Actually this is my first video and my video is going to expose an amateur greed for money and start uploading videos on YouTube. So I should not be late. At first go to Control Planner. Here's Control Planner and then go to Network and Internet, and after that go to Network and Sharing Center. Then here is my Wi-Fi, so you have to click over here and then Properties, and now click on Sharing. And here you should make sure this allow button needs to be unchecked this, and then go back and then configure. You have to click on advanced and then go to roaming aggressiveness. Here you can find roaming aggressiveness and then click on the lowest. You might find medium or something. You have to go for the lowest. Click on to the lowest, click OK, and after that you should go to Properties. Here I'm going to go for TCP4 IP4 protocol 4 and then Properties. Here you should first click on use the following DNS server address. Click on over here. And then after that here, and after that you should write preferred DNS. I'm gonna share this DNS below at the description. You should write 208.67.222 and 222, and over here the alternative DNS is 208.67.220.220, and then press OK, and then OK, and then close it. And now you have to do something. So over here click on Start. Actually this will increase the internet speed, and this is going to I'm going to delete some files that doesn't need to run. And over here run, you're gonna type %temp %, then click OK. These are the files that you don't need. This actually take on extra storage in your computer. You don't need all this, and it will not affect the computer even if you delete. Continue. This will take some time. These are the files. Actually I skipped it because of it's already running to the internet, so that's why. And then go to run again and write temp. OK, and you have to delete all this, selecting all and then delete. And then you should go for run once again and write prefetch, prefetch, and they have to click OK, continue, and then select all once again and then delete. Skip. Okay, and then cross, and then clean the recycle bin. Then start. Over here I got disk cleanup on the right side, but why you're gonna find the disk cleanup? At the administrative tool you're gonna find the disk cleanup. You should click OK. After clicking the disk cleanup, then you have to wait for a while. It actually checking all the miscellaneous file that you don't need to run, and then clean, and then press OK. You have to wait. It's actually calculating. You don't need this file. It actually take the storage space and slow down your computer and also your PC. This is really important for you because if your PC is not faster, then it will affect your internet. I'm actually going through the overall procedure to fasten your internet service. It's actually calculating. Sorry if the video is too lengthy. This is my first time I'm sharing a video. So please, I apologize for any inconvenience. Then press OK and then delete files. And after it's been deleted, please restart your computer and you're gonna find the difference for sure. I'm gonna share the DNS, and thanks for watching my videos and thanks for your cooperation. Bye. Take care.